IIT Dharwad Gandhinagar BITS Pilani recruitment for Junior Research Fellowship and Project Assistant Research Associate. So this video consists of 3 notifications. First is IIT Dharwad, which is in Karnataka, recruitment for Junior Research Fellowship. The essential qualification is postgraduate degree in electronics and communications or computer science or equivalent. So the selected scholars should have GATE score. Selection procedure will be decided by the panel, and the desirable qualification is strong programming skills, conception knowledge in signal processing, machine learning and deep learning. The consolidated stipend will be around 31,000 plus 16% of HRA, and duration of tenure is 3 years. The project tool is development of speech processing algorithms for automatic detection of depression and other mental health issues using signal processing, machine learning, deep learning approach. So the last date to submit is 20th of November 2021. The shortlist criteria is on 22nd of November 2021. The date of selection is on 25th of November 2021. The link will be given in the description. Please do check the link. And BITS Pilani recruitment for Junior Research Fellowship in the project named Performance improvement of a solar thermal system using magnetic nanofields, 3 years duration, and 31,000 is a stipend for 2 years and 35,000 in the 3rd year. So other benefits that students may offer to visit University of South Africa, that is an MTech with 60% marks in mechanical engineering, thermal engineering, heat process, power engineering or chemical, and get qualified is desirable. Knowledge of heat transfer, fluid mechanics, advanced knowledge of CFD is expected. And the last date to submit is 15th of November 2021. You need to mail to the professor. The link is given in the description. Do check it. And this is the IIT Gandhinagar site. There are a lot of vacancies. These are all the vacancies which are going to be. So project assistant and junior project accountant and research associate, junior research associate. So JRF, Gandhinagar junior research fellowship position in the department of electrical engineering. The project name is comparative study of soft error tolerance, synchronous and asynchronous processors. So JRF master's degree is essential in electrical or electronics or communication, and so our bachelor degree with electrical, electronics and communication, and the desirable knowledge is you need to have good knowledge on C, C++, Python, Verilog, system Verilog, and excellent programming skills. So the link will be given in the description. Do check it. And another position is project positions in water resource, and essential qualification for this is PhD or MTech with 3 years experience. 49,000 plus HRA is a recommendation given because this is a research associate. And JRF 2 vacancies, and the essential qualification is bachelor degree or master degree in any branch of engineering with GATE, and preferred skills is water distribution network. So any branch of BTech or MTech is eligible to apply. And the initial period is for 1 year, which may be extendable to 2 years based on the performance. The remuneration is 31,000 plus HRA for junior research fellowship. And project assistant 1 vacancy, BTech in any discipline is required. Preferred skills is water distribution network, urban water management, drainage, wastewater disposal, field work, data acquisition, project coordination, technical report writing. So initial appointment for 1 year and extendable to 2 years, and remuneration for project assistant is 22,000 per month, and for project of AMR flows, that is antimicrobial resistance from manufacturing flows. So the research associate 1 vacancy. For this project, the research associate 1 vacancy, that is PhD or MTech with experience is required, that is in civil engineering stream. Application procedure, everything, the link will be given in the description. Please do check. And IIT Gandhinagar recruitment for project assistant, the consolidated pay will be 25,000 to 35,000. This is also temporary vacancy, and tenure is 1 year, which can be extended for depending upon the project. BTech in any specialization or MCA or MSc with at least 60% of marks in the qualified examination, with 2 years of good work experience needed. So knowledge of MS Office plus C, .NET, ASP, Java, SQL, HTML, PHP. 27 years is the age criteria. The last day to submit is 15th of November 2021. So this is the last recruitment notification in this video. Junior project accountant. The stipend is around, so this is a temporary vacancy. The consolidated pay is around 25,000 to 35,000 based on the experience and credentials. Tenure is 1 year, which can be extended upon satisfactory performance. Qualification is MCOM MBA with 65% of marks. Those who qualified chartered account with 2 years experience and knowledgeable on current versions of Tally or such accounting software. 27 years is age limit, and the last day to submit is 15th of November. Interested candidates may apply from this website. The link will be given in the description. So these are the junior research fellowship project assistant and junior project accountant in different institutes.